how to add a checkbox in Microsoft Loop. In this video, I'll show you how to add a checkbox in Microsoft Loop. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft Loop and then create a new page on Microsoft Loop. So go ahead and click on this create new button at the top left of your screen and then select page from here. And then in here, go ahead and name this page. And then on the body, go ahead and enter slash checklist. So that will allow you to create a checkbox in Microsoft Loop. So go ahead and enter slash checklist and you'll be able to add items to the checklist that you have. And that is how you can basically add a checkbox in Microsoft Loop. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.